Hi, I want to introduce you to Amical. Amical is an Actus project. And Actus is a global organization that looks to help new projects that could be aligned to the United Nations organization to create projects that could help people, environment, or in general the society. So, uh, what we do in Amical? Well, in Amical we look to help people to help other people. How? Well, the non-fundable organizations are foundations that people already want to reach that objectives, but there's not that easy because a lot of us really want to help, but we don't really know how to. So that's the help we provide to guide that will to help, and we will be networking, just like LinkedIn could be, but especially focus on the non-profitable organizations and the profile of the volunteers that could uh, need or want to help these organizations. This could be even a solution to the social service that a lot of high schools or universities requires to the students. So this is a easiest way to get it. So if we advance here, what could be our values? Well, our values are to related to the Enactus ones, but in specifically Amical, we want relations because we want to promote that even between the organizations could have a mutual aid, innovation, because in our platform, in our website, and in a future in our mobile app, we want to improve every day and make the change we need to do, because the idea is to offer a better space to these non-profitable organizations to develop as well as they could. So mutual help. That's what we all, all want, because everybody wants to help, but we don't know really how to. So we want to promote that idea, not just in our platform or in our networking, but as well as an life idea. Because if we reach our objective to be the app or the platform for excellence to do social service or volunteer, we will share our idea of mutual help, because that's how a society could really work if we help each other and we could advance to reach our mutual objectives. So, what we have done in this year that we have been working with, we have made a lot of surveys about preference of volunteers and these organizations to know their necessities and, well, preference. Also, we have been in social media campaigns in pro of water in specific. The campaign is called Hablemos de Agua. It's an Coca-Cola Foundation initiative, and we are actively participate, and we have helped cancer aid foundations, also a foundation that helps the Sierra de Guadalupe. And, well, our objectives is that we will be the social media for non-profitable organizations for excellence. We need to be related to that idea. We will be that networking and no one else. We going to increase the aid for these ones because not just to volunteers, it could be monetary help, it could be uh, relationships, a lot of kind of aid we want to promote, and we promote the mutual help. As I have already said, we want to promote that as an idea of life, and people could not be a volunteer, but could be a person who live under that idea. And where? Well, to find us in our Facebook or Instagram and our TikTok pages. And well, thanks.